Hey everyone, Morgan here. So I've been meaning to make some more of my homemade ration bars. I have done a video on my peanut butter ration bars. Now I'm going to be doing a video on my chocolate ration bars that I have just created this recipe on my own, through a variety of experimentation. So let me show you a little bit of this. I'm going to have the exact recipe down below in case you want to try this for yourself. Okay, so what we have here is bacon from dinner. Okay, but that's not going to be in it. We have some old-fashioned oats, a little bit of fiber, protein powder, a little bit of sugar, a little bit of cinnamon, a little bit of cocoa powder. And then what I'm doing right now is I've added in all those dry ingredients, and I'm adding in a little bit of water at a time until I get to a consistency that is like a kind of like a little ball, that is kind of keeps it all together, so where it's not, crumbly like this, but not too much water either. But we're also going to be putting it in the oven at 200 degrees for about 20 minutes, flip it, 20 minutes again. So this is totally optional, but you can also use a little xanthan gum. Xanthan gum is used as like a thickener and like a combining sort of agent. So I actually just used like a quarter of a cup, not very much, but it looks perfect right now. It's nice and combined. It's not too flaky, and it doesn't have too much water, but we're going to try to dry it out as much as we can in the oven. I use this mold to make them all about the same-ish size. Like this one's a little smaller, that one's bigger, but I tried to make them all about the same-ish size. Okay, so let's go ahead and put it in the oven for about 40 minutes. That's 20 minutes on one side. I'm going to flip it and another 20 minutes on the other side, just to dry out some of that moisture, but not all of it. I will warn you that the recipe that's in the description is very loose. I encourage you to make this your own recipe. If you want to add honey or anything else to it, do it. With these types of things, I'm totally experimenting on my own. I just add in whatever I think is going to be good. And, like I've experimented with these ration bars so much that I just kind of have an idea of what is and isn't going to work. But, I really encourage you guys to make this recipe your own, really experiment and have fun with it. I've made a peanut butter one, I make this chocolate one, and I also make a strawberry one out of Jello powder. So it's fun. It's a lot of fun. And the strawberry one is by far my favorite. I'm going to have to make that one in another video. So I actually had to turn it up to 350. I guess this batch was a little wetter than usual, I guess. Anyway, what I'm going to do from here is I'm going to put it in the freezer. And then whenever I want to eat them, I'll just take them out and they'll be good for, a week or 2 weeks, like if you're going to take them camping or for a hike or backpacking or anything like that, it'll be good for a little while. So anyway, that's it for today. Thank you all so much for watching. I really like making these ration bars. They're great for camping and backpacking and whatever. So thank you all so much for watching. Conquer tomorrow by preparing today. Talk to y'all tomorrow. Bye.